Oh, Father, please forgive all my sins. The water is way too deep, the deep end is where I live. Father, please, let's put all over the sheets. The devil is in the mirror, he's staring right over me.
Hi friends, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Ali, and in today's video I'll be showing you how I got this pink and black cut crease. It is Barbie inspired. If you would like to see how I got this look, please keep watching. I'm going in with black on my upper eyelid, and I'll be blending that on top of my eyelid and just winging it out to the end. I'm going with my egirl eyeshadow primer, and I'll be cutting the crease. I'm just following along the line of the black eyeshadow and making the same shape for the cut crease. I'm going into the shade of pink, and I'll be using that right where I cut the crease. So I'm just packing it on using this small fluffy brush. I'm going in with some liquid liner, and I'll just be making a small wing just to match with the wing that I have with the eyeshadow on top of my eye.
Oh, Father, please forgive all my sins. The water is way too deep, the deep end is where I live.
And I'm just going in with some concealer just to clean everything up so it will look sharp and neat. And then I'll just go in with my beauty blender and blend that out.
To get you out my mind, I think I found a new addiction. It feels so right.
I'm going in with some white liner just to give my eyes a little more of a open door-like look, since it's more of a egirl but Barbie inspired type look. So I decided to go with the white liner. And now I'm using the same pink that I used on my eyelids, and I'm just creating like some blush on my cheeks and on my nose.
Oh, Father, please don't waste any time. The sirens are turning red. I found a home now.
I'm going in with the same liquid liner, and I'm just drawing some freckles over where I put the blush just to give it more of a cute type of look. So for the lips, I'm going in with this black pencil, and I'm going to be creating a black and pink ombre lip. So I'll be using black and then blending it in, and then I'll be putting pink into the middle and blending these two together. I actually didn't have any pink lipstick, so I ended up using pink paint from my Athena palette. I'll put a picture of it on the screen for you guys to see. And that's the pink that I use, and it actually works really well for lipstick. Okay guys, so I went off camera to apply these contacts. These are from my IBB and I love them. And they're actually hats. And now I'm putting on some false lashes to the bottom of my eye just to give myself more of a dolly type look. These really pull the look together. Okay friends, so this is the final look.
It feels so bad, baby, run for your life. I'ma tear your heart, it'll always be mine. Baby, run for your life. I'ma tear your heart, it'll always be mine. Let me see you go, lose your head, say you love me to death, 'cause
Okay friends, thank you so much for watching. Please like, comment and subscribe if you haven't already. And I'll see you all in my next video. Bye guys.
right over me. I thought it would be easy to get you on my mind. I think I found a new addiction.